Living in Glendale means experiencing warm summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a priority for homeowners. One of the most effective ways to reduce energy costs, enhance home comfort, and increase property value is by installing energy-efficient windows. Whether you are looking to upgrade outdated windows or build a more sustainable home, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment. Why energy-efficient windows matter? Traditional windows can allow excessive heat transfer, leading to higher cooling costs in the summer and heat loss in the winter. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures by providing better insulation, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. This results in lower energy bills, improved comfort, and a more environmentally friendly home. Key benefits of energy-efficient windows: lower energy costs. One of the biggest advantages of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce energy consumption. By minimizing heat transfer, these windows keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, leading to significant savings on utility bills. Enhanced indoor comfort. Nobody likes temperature fluctuations inside their home. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, eliminating hot spots and drafts. This ensures year-round comfort, no matter the weather outside. Protection from UV rays. Many energy-efficient windows come with low emissivity coatings, which block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. This not only protects your skin but also prevents your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading due to prolonged sun exposure. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy street or in a high-traffic area of Glendale, energy-efficient windows can also help reduce outside noise. With multiple panes and advanced ceiling technology, these windows create a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Increased property value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows boosts your home's market appeal and resale value. Potential buyers appreciate the benefits of lower energy costs and modern, eco-friendly home improvements, making your property stand out in the competitive Glendale housing market. Features of energy-efficient windows. When shopping for energy-efficient windows, look for these key features to maximize performance. Multiple pane. Double pane or triple pane windows provide better insulation than single pane options by trapping air or gas between the layers, reducing heat transfer and improving energy efficiency. Low-E glass coating. Low-E glass coatings help reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, reducing heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. Gas-filled insulation. Many energy-efficient windows contain argon or krypton gas between the panes to enhance insulation and further reduce heat transfer. High-quality frames. Window frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials provide superior insulation compared to traditional aluminum frames, which conduct heat more easily. Proper sealing and weather stripping. High-performance sealing materials and weather stripping help eliminate air leaks, ensuring that your windows provide maximum energy efficiency. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your Glendale home. Selecting the best energy-efficient windows depends on several factors, including your budget, home design, and personal preferences. Here's what to consider. Climate consideration. Glendale's hot summers and mild winters mean you should prioritize windows with high solar heat gain coefficient (SHGC) ratings to block excess heat while still allowing natural light. Window style. Different window styles offer varying levels of insulation and ventilation. Consider casement, double-hung, or sliding windows for energy efficiency and ease of use. Energy Star certification. Always look for Energy Star rated windows, as they meet strict efficiency standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Professional installation matters. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Hiring a professional window contractor in Glendale ensures proper fitting, airtight seals, and compliance with building codes. A well-installed window will last longer and provide maximum energy savings. Start saving with energy-efficient windows today. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart decision that benefits both your wallet and your home. By reducing energy costs, improving indoor comfort, and enhancing your property value, these windows offer long-term savings and environmental benefits. If you're ready to upgrade your home's efficiency and comfort, contact a trusted window expert in Glendale today to explore the best energy-efficient window options for your needs.